Is your Valorant gameplay plagued by those annoying horizontal lines cutting across your screen? Let's squash that screen tearing in under 2 minutes. First, open up your Valorant settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Now navigate to the Video tab, and then click on General. Make sure your display mode is set to full screen. Full screen mode allows Valorant to have exclusive control over your display, helping minimize screen tearing. Avoid using windowed or borderless windowed. Scroll down and find NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. If you have an NVIDIA card, set this to Enabled Boost or just Enabled. This reduces latency and can also help with screen tearing. If you don't have an NVIDIA card, this setting won't affect you. Keep scrolling down until you see VSync. This is the big one. Try enabling VSync. VSync synchronizes your game's frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate, eliminating screen tearing. However, it can introduce input lag. If VSync adds too much input lag for your liking, another option is to cap your FPS to your monitor's refresh rate. Find the maximum FPS settings. There are 2 of them, maximum FPS on battery and maximum FPS on menu. We are interested in maximum FPS, which is for when the game is running. Set this to a value that matches your monitor's refresh rate. To know what's your monitor refresh rate, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down to Advanced Display Settings, select your monitor and you will see the refresh rate for the selected display. If you have a 60 Hz monitor, set the limit to 60. If it's 144 Hz, set it to 144 and so on. And that's it. Restart your game to apply the changes. Play around with these settings to find what works best for your system. Enjoy tear-free Valorant.